Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. I'm your host, Shazadi. Today, we are diving into the world of soft, curves, smooth finishes, and irresistible textures. It's all about dome cakes. Let's cook at 15 amazing dome cake inspiration you will want to try. The first one is strawberry cream dome cake. This strawberry cream dome is both delicious and beautiful, ideal for spring brunches and tea parties. The next is Galaxy Mirror Glaze Cake Dome. Mirror Glaze Magic. The Galaxy Dome cake is an outer space fantasy you can eat. The next is Rose Inspired Dome Cake. Romantic and refined, this dome cake mimics the beauty of a blooming rose. The next is Heart Filled Surprise Dome Cake. Slice it open for a sweet surprise. This dome hides a lovely hut inside. The next is mini dome desserts. Perfect for parties, these bites sized dome cakes come in all flavors and colors. The next is unicorn dome cake. Whimsical and dreamy, the unicorn dome cake is a favorite for kids and themed parties. The next is chocolate lava dome cake. Who can resist chocolate? This dome oozes rich ganj with every slice. The next is Sakura Blossom Dome Cake. Soft colors and floral elegance make this Sakura inspired dome perfect for spring celebrations. The next is Lemon Meringue Dome. Tangy, sweet, and totally trendy. The lemon meringue dome is a flavor-packed beauty. The next is ombre pastel dome cake. Soft ombre effect make this dome a feast for the eyes and taste buds. The next is crystal ice dome cake. Inspired by frozen fantasy, the crystal dome sparkle with edible ice like decor. The next is textured buttercream dome cake. Textured buttercream gives this dome a soft, dreamy finish, perfect for vintage themes. The next is painted dome cake, a true canvas for creativity. This dome features hand painted floral artwork. The next is double dome stacked cake. Double the dome, double the drama. This stack design adds dimensions of your centerpiece. The next is favorite of kids. Cute overloaded turn domes into character for birthday parties and kids events. This is a favorite cake for kids. These are all 15 amazing ideas. Let's recap the dome delight. Strawberry cream, galaxy, rose, surprise heart, mini domes, unicorn, lava, sakura, lemon, meringue, ombre, pastel, crystal ice, textured buttercream, painted, staked, and cartoon domes. Which dome cake was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like this video, share with your those friends who love dome cakes. And subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing design or cake design inspiration every day only on Cakes Factory. And hit the bell icon so you never miss any update by Cakes Factory. Always share your love and feeling with others by baking their favorite cake on their special occasion. Because if you don't share and hide your feelings, you can't gain or expect that feeling, that emotion, that surprise from others. So if you want that surprise, that happiness within yourself, so share your happiness, share your love, share your thoughts with others. Thank you.